Today we're going to be installing studs into my Tillotson 212. In the last video, or one of the ones before that, I was talking about how one of them broke off inside of the block. And that was because I had a really long header pipe putting a lot of leverage on it, and it was vibrating around a lot, so it stretched the stud and broke off inside the block in this hole right here. So I had to take it to a shop and have the broken stud extracted for 40 bucks. So here we are now. Alright, take your stud and start threading it into the block. Okay, the trick to installing studs is jamming two nuts together. It sounds funny, don't it? Okay, so you're going to want to take the top nut and tighten it, and the bottom nut, and you're going to try to want to loosen it, and that's going to jam the nuts together. And you can see that I'm turning the whole stud, and that's exactly what we want. And now we have just installed our first stud. Okay, now you're going to put your wrenches back in place, and you're going to hold the bottom nut in place, and you're going to loosen the top one. That's going to hold the stud in place from turning, and that's going to allow you to remove the nut. Okay, and I've just broken them free. And now just loosen the nuts, and then you're done with the first stud. Now thread in the second stud. Alright, there we go. And like I said in the beginning, the top nut you're going to tighten it, the bottom one you're going to loosen it, and jam the two nuts together. Now take your wrench and thread in the stud. And that's how you install studs into a cylinder head. This applies to pretty much all motors, whether it's this small Tillotson 212 or it's a small block Chevy or a big block Mopar or whatever it is. This is pretty much how you install studs and everything. And now we just put the nuts on until he's back in action again. So if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.